Some quick tips on ways to promote your blog's RSS feed. One area of blog promotion that often gets overlooked is the RSS feed, but you'll eventually find yourself wondering how to promote your blog's RSS feed link to get better use of this blogging feature. The RSS feed link on most blogs is usually so innocuous that blog readers are rarely even aware that it exists. So your first priority should be to make it more visible on your website. Adding a large RSS feed button in a prominent place on your blog page template that you've reserved for subscription and social sharing links is a good place to begin. You should also include smaller buttons for these links at the bottom of each blog post, plus a bit of text at the end of each post to remind people that these subscriptions and sharing options exist and to encourage them to use them. It's also a good idea to have a page on your website that explains to people what the RSS feed is, along with information on all the other subscriptions and sharing options, why it can make it easier for them to view your content, and how they can use it. By having a special page on your website with this information, you can link to this page in your blog posts and in your blog theme beneath your subscription and sharing buttons. Another great way to promote your RSS feed is to use the RSS feed directories. RSS feed directories are special directory websites that publish the content of your RSS feed. Having your feed published at an RSS directory site means that visitors to the site can find your content. It also means that any links to your content that are published with the feed will become backlinks to your website, which will encourage search engines to index and rank your blog. You can find RSS directories by using a search engine to search for them using terms such as RSS directory, RSS feed directory, RSS directory list, publish RSS feeds, and many similar search keywords. You can probably find many more ways to promote your RSS feed by using your imagination and looking for places where it would be appropriate to post the feed link.